Vijaya Bank's suite of digital offerings to ease all your digital banking worries. Want to know how to make payments as easy as WhatsApp? Well, UPI is the answer. Just download the app and start transacting using just the virtual payment address without exchanging any account details. Just make sure you're registered for SMS alerts and hold a debit card. UPI is also available for feature phones. You can generate your UPI PIN and send or request money by simply dialing *99# on your phone. If you are a merchant, you don't need to buy a POS machine anymore. Just start your non-cash transactions with UPI, and each transaction can be as high as INR 50,000. With UPI, you can also scan and pay using a QR code, and you can also generate your own QR code. You can also pay using your Aadhaar number. UPI is a highly secure app that uses device binding. The features of Vijaya UPI are also incorporated in the BHIM app. WePay Quick Wallet offers mobile top-up, recharge, bill payments such as electricity, landline, postpaid and gas, bus and air ticket booking, online shopping and many more. With each mobile top-up and recharge, you will get attractive cashbacks, coupons and huge discounts on shopping. WePay Quick Fund Transfer feature allows customers to send money anytime, anywhere in India. A boon for merchants. The WePay Quick app now comes with the Bharat QR code integrated. Customers can make payments using the app, using any card, by simply scanning the Bharat QR code displayed and confirming the payment. Why go to the bank when the bank is in your hands? Just take out your mobile and get started with Vijaya Bank's mobile banking, V-Mobile. You can do fund transfer, balance inquiry, check mini statements, do NEFT transactions, IMPS fund transfers, mobile recharge, airline and movie tickets, bill payments and donations, and offline service requests. V-Mobile can be used for retail payments or as POS or by merchants. V-Mobile is also QR code enabled and BBPS, that is, Bharat Bill Payment System enabled. If you think all these services are only meant for people with smartphones, you will be surprised to know that you can avail the banking services in 12 languages from any GSM mobile handset, and the best part is, it works without internet. This service is available round the clock and free from roaming charges. So how do we avail this service? Register your mobile number with us for mobile banking services. Dial *99# to enter the Vijaya Bank USSD menu. Here you can select options 1 or 2 to send or request money, option 3 to check your bank account balance, option 4 to view your profile, where you can change bank account, change language, view your profile details and payment address, and manage beneficiaries. Select option 5 to view UPI requests raised that are pending approval, option 6 to view your transactions history, and option 7 to generate UPI PIN. You can also dial *99*99# from your mobile to check your Aadhaar seeding or linking status. Have an Aadhaar card? You have an advantage. Now avail all these services and more with Aadhaar-enabled payment system, namely balance inquiry, cash withdrawal, cash deposit, Aadhaar to Aadhaar funds transfer. Simply raise a request and a Bank Mitra will come to your location with the micro POS. If you are a merchant, you can do away with the hassles of cash transactions by registering for the MPO's Aadhaar Pay app at the bank. Simply then link your mobile to a biometric reader and enjoy cashless transactions. What exactly is RuPay Pay Secure? It is a payment service that allows Vijaya Bank customers to use Vijaya Bank RuPay debit card for online shopping and for online payment. But to use this feature, one has to register their mobile number through any Vijaya Bank ATM by selecting options, other services, debit card on internet. After successful registration at ATM, card will be enabled for online transactions and one can proceed to RuPay Pay Secure registration, which can be done either by selecting option Register Now shown in the left pane, or it will prompt for RuPay Pay Secure registration at the time of online payment. Not only does online shopping become a breeze, the RuPay Platinum debit card also comes with a host of privileges: lounge access at domestic airports, personal accident insurance cover, unique concierge services, 5% cashback on utility bill payments, up to 1% surcharge waiver on fuel, ₹25 cashback on train ticket booking through irctc.co.in, 15% discount on minimum billing of ₹300 on food and beverages at Cafe Coffee Day. You can access all these apps through Vi eConnect Plus, the one-stop app for all our digital offerings. Whatever your banking problem might be, we have the solution for it all.